Hi guys, and this is our new video about the Instagram application where we will show you how to manage the contact syncing feature on your account. So let's go to this app, and if you are on your profile page, let's pick on the three lines option at the top of the screen to get access to the settings. The best way right now is to use the search option here, because it's very convenient and I need to set the contacts word here on the search bar. So right now, if you want to enable the contacts syncing feature, let's pick on the first option which will appear on the list. Later we need to choose the continue option, and if you have another permission settings in the phone customizations, let's tap on the settings feature on the alert. Right now we need to choose the first toggle to enable Instagram and allow it to use your contacts data. So let's pick on the toggle here, and later we need to use the Instagram inscription here to go back. Right now, all our contacts will be offered for us when we will use our Instagram app. As you can see here, we have these contacts just. But if you want to disable this contacts syncing feature, we need to go to the settings again, use the search option too. I will set the contacts word here. As you can see, we don't have the first option which we used before to follow, because this feature is activated. So to disable it, we need to choose this the second one, contacts syncing feature. And as I said before, it's activated, so to disable, let's pick on the switch and make it gray. Remember that we need to confirm our actions after tapping on the disconnect. From now on, people from our contacts list won't be offered on our Instagram account. So in this way you can smoothly and successfully manage this option and activate or deactivate it on the needful time. Guys, don't forget about likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to find out even more cool tricks on Instagram app. And good luck! Bye bye!